Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fabrielle. I am primarily a makeup artist, but I do dabble in all things beauty. On my Instagram a couple weeks ago, I did put a poll whether people wanted a more natural look or a more glam look, and most people did vote for a natural look. And Pixi Beauty is honestly so perfect for that because so many of their products are geared just for like enhancing your looks naturally. So I figured there was no better time to film a natural look than now that I got two PR packages from them. And I did want to mention that if you do want to be part of my video content selection team, head on over to Instagram and give me a follow at Fabrielle. That's where I decide all the content that I'm going to film for YouTube. I usually do ask all of my followers. That's also where I love to chat with you guys, so feel free to DM me anytime. The first PR package that I got from them was this really cute little bag that you could wear to like music festivals and stuff like that. I can't wear it anywhere right now. There are no music festivals right now, but it is still such a cute bag that I can kind of wear anytime. And it does come with this little note from Petra which says, "Where I grew up in Sweden, midsummer is a summer festival to enjoy the longest day of the year. I'd pick wildflowers while enjoying the magic of family and friends. In the Pixi house, it starts with an all-day lunch followed by games, music, singing, and dancing, ending with a midnight swim. This year, I would like to share some essentials so that you can be midsummer ready. Lots of love and happy midsummer, XOXO Petra." So it did come with their makeup melting cleansing cloths, and I love that everything is like very travel friendly because these are things that I love to keep, and I either throw in my bag when I'm traveling or I throw in my purse just when I'm gonna have a long day out. The next product is the H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. It also came with their Lip Lift Max in the shade Peony Bloom. This actually might be what I wear today. Next is their Glittery Eye Quad in Rose Bronze. And then it also came with these metallic tattoos, which are so stinking cute. I'm not gonna wear these today, guys. I'm sorry. I know. I'm not wearing it for the video because I'm literally about to just go run errands, but I am gonna do a special cool look just for these. The next box that I got from them is the Escape and Let's Glow. It did come with this super cute bag, which has my name embroidered on it. I swear, they're so stinking cute. This is so thoughtful and adorable. There's two Endless Shade Sticks, their Large Lash Mascara, another one of their Lip Lift Max, but this one's in a more like peachy nude shade, and their Summer Glow Palette. For this look, I did want to use all of their products, so I did head to Target to pick up a couple extra things. First, I got the H2O Skin Tint in the shade Warm. I also picked up their Padaway Concealer Base in the shade Warm. And lastly, I did pick up their Lash Line Ink in the shade Black Silk. Alright, let's get started. My skin is already prepped with a ton of skincare, so I'm gonna just skip primer and go right into the skin tint. And I'm gonna apply that using this Morphe Y8 brush. This has actually been my favorite brush lately for applying any type of foundation because it's so dense yet fluffy that it's perfect for things that have light coverage and are more liquidy, and it's also perfect for things that are heavier coverage and a little more cream-like. That feels so refreshing. It literally felt like I was spreading water over my face because it was just that refreshing. And it actually had more coverage than I thought it would. So it does say that it dries down to kind of like a semi-matte. Right now, as you can tell, very dewy. So let's give this a few minutes while we do concealer and stuff and just try to see how that dries down. For the concealer, I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corner, outer corner, and close to my nose. That's what I've been doing lately, honestly, just to keep the face looking less cakey. Just put it where I need it, and that's it. That's it. Don't push it. Don't be cakey. And I am gonna blend that out using this Monda Studio Crease Brush. And first we're gonna dab, 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 dab. Then we're gonna sweep, 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 sweep. Then back with the foundation brush, just gently go over all of that. Okay, a couple things about the concealer. The applicator brush, very weird shape. I don't know how to describe it. It's very jumbo, very weird, but you know what? You don't blend it out with that brush, you just gotta apply it on the skin. So it did its job very well. Definitely had way more coverage than I thought it was gonna have, and I have to say this is probably the easiest concealer I've ever blend it out. I'm not just saying that, guys. Honestly, whenever I blend out concealer, I just know I gotta take my time. This blended out so fast. It actually was like crazy. I was like really? Are we good here? And we were. I have to say the skin tint has not dried down to a semi-matte. It's definitely more of a dewy skin-like finish, which doesn't bother me, but I would say keep that in mind. The two Endless shade sticks that they sent are Matte Cocoa and Copper Glaze. And for today's look, I'm going to use Copper Glaze. I'm just going to put this all over the lid, and with the fluffy brush, I'm going to sort of blend that out. Next on the eyes, I'm going to use the Summer Glow palette. I'm actually going to use the center shade, and I'm going to apply it to the inner and middle part of my lid, and I'm just going to use my finger for that. Stop. This palette is gorgeous. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to use the Lash Line ink and the Large Lash Mascara. With the liner, I'm not going to do a full cat eye all the way to the inner corner. I'm just going to do it about 2/3 of the way in and do a small-ish flick on the outside. Dang, it is bigger than I thought it would be. So the liner worked out pretty good. The mascara, I will say, is not volumizing. It is lengthening though, and it really separated my lashes. Like, it genuinely felt like it separated it lash by lash by lash. So now we're gonna go back to this palette to finish off our face, and I'm gonna go in with this bottom left shade, and I'm gonna use that to sort of bronze and just kind of, not really contour, but kind of give more color and shape to my face. And I'm gonna do that using my favorite, the Morphe M530 brush. Then I'm gonna go in with this top right shade as sort of like my blush, and I'm gonna apply that with the Morphe E4. Then I'm going to use that center shade that we used on the inner and middle part of the eye, and I'm going to use that as my highlight. Alright, I did fill my brows off camera. Honestly, I just used whatever pencil I had. And for my lips, I am going to use the Lip Lift Max in Peony Bloom. With everything very light and neutral, I just wanted to add kind of like a fun color. I can already feel that tingling, and as you could see, it's just a really pretty kind of sheer raspberry shade, but colors like this are awesome for summer. And to finish off the look, I'm just gonna spray my whole face with their Makeup Fixing Mist. And this one's made with rose water and green tea. Alright guys, and this is the final look. As you can tell, everything is super just bright and fresh and summery. This look came out very natural, and it's something you could totally wear for day or night. And actually, the trick that I did with the eyes is something that I like to do pretty often. I like to take a medium to darker metallic shade stick, apply that all over the lid, and then with my finger taking a lighter metallic shade and just applying that on the inner and middle part of the eye. It's just a very, very natural way to give the eye some more life and some definition. But alright guys, that's basically it. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with your friends if you really, really liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!